Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add categories to your product on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into products and services, click on our products, and search for the product we want to edit. You can also do the same for new products, but I'm going to go ahead and go, for example, into test pre-order. Click here, click edit, and now we are in the editing page for the product. Now this is pretty much the same as the create new product page. This is just for a published product and you can edit it freely. And for categories, what you need to do is go down into organization. And as you can see here, you can create categories to bucket products and they'll appear under the store's navigation. Now, to create a category, just click the plus over here, and as you can see, you can add a category. For example, this is a pre-order. For example, I'll just add pre-order products, and I'm going to click add, and that's going to create a new category. Now just check that off, and that category is now selected for this item. Now if I save this, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my products, and I already have another one set up. I'm going to click edit here, and we're going to go into categories. Under organization again, click the plus, and as you can see, we already have the category pre-order products made, and we're going to click on that. We're going to click done, click save, and that is pretty much all there is to it. You can then group them up, and people searching your website will be able to sort by those categories, and they'll be able to find your products much easier. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.